ain't. This is how we fucking roll, man. Fucking ridiculous.
What's the not? Just do it. It's gonna be funny. Just pop it on and then. So no smile.
We going to the fucking moon, motherfuckers. I am the fucking law.
To order. Wait, what?
You got a delivery?
Yeah.
It's a Can Flex fuel sensor. I'm just gonna take a photo of it real quick.
Perfect.
What is that for anyway, actually?
Oh, it's going on my M3.
M3? Did
Yeah,
you say
like
M3?
the BMW
BMW. What generation?
is the G80 body style.
G80 M3?
Yeah, it's 2023.
Like you're gonna make it fast?
Like I'm gonna make it fast as balls. Dang! What's this guy driving? Oh, it's an Infinity. Man, I could have guessed. Oh, get that guy's plate. Just for stage 2. ECU in. Time to get tuning, brother. We bought the MHD super license, so we're just gonna put in stage 2, drive it around, see it, feel it, and then next week custom tuning. Because it's Saturday now, and our work days are cut short on Saturday, and Sunday we don't work, so.
No, I saw. Didn't you get from Germany?
The ECU was in Germany, yes.
So why do you have to program it again?
Because now it's actually put in the program. Before they just unlocked it for the program to go in.
Oh, okay.
See, noise reduction, it's quiet. It's way louder. Damn! It's way louder. Oh. Hold on. Let's not melt the cord, brother. Yeah. That's only map 1, bro.
We'll go map 2.
Damn. This thing is disgusting.
How many? I think there's 3. So which one you gonna do? Well, I still gotta go to Angel.
We're gonna inflate the tires before we go do some test pulls.
What does it say to?
Gonna take some photos for the coming out shirts of McQueen, and dang, this is good quality. I like that. Gonna take some photos and then go back. Oh yeah. Come on, manual mode.
Did you see it bubble?
This thing's way.
Did you see it bubble? Be careful. Sometimes they hide in the corner. Fucking thing bubble up. You hear the bubble? Oh! Wait.
Tap the gas.
Gotta figure out what RPM they're at now. Oh, there we go. Fuel pumps from the factory. I mean.
That's wrapping it up for today's video with the M3. Next video, dyno, flex fuel sensors going in that I ordered, whatever, in this video. And then, yeah, I'm gonna post dyno videos. We're gonna do street runs, everything, and then hopefully make it power cruise. If not, manifold coming in, port injection, single turbo kit, transmission, boom. But now I'm gonna post some great bloopers from the skit.
Can flex fuel sensor for Alexi.
Yeah. Okay,
And then just be
okay.
like,
Okay.
what is this for?
Where you go?
No, I gotta ask you.
Come on, dog.
Look how funny it is. No window, same as was. Just the was good food.
I might be too strung out on compliments, overdosed on confidence.